Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing. We bought
More parts?
More parts. Yes, we always buy more parts. We bought a power brake conversion kit. The Camaro behind us does not have power brakes, it has manual brakes.
We're going to bring it into the...
Yeah, we're
bringing it updating it, 21st century.
Yeah. Okay.
We want to tell them what it is, though? What
the part number?
Yeah.
I should. Yeah, I probably should.
You want me to tell them? You tell them. Go ahead.
All right. It is from, there's a logo on that side? Yeah. Logo's
on
that side. Yeah, it's on that side of the box, the logo. It's got cars on this side.
Oh, okay.
But it's from Master Power Brakes, which I believe their website's mpbrakes.com. But anyway, I'll put the link in the video.
It's right here, www.mpbrakes.com.
See, I was right. But the part number for this kit for a 69 Camaro for the Legend series. They got all kinds of series you can buy, and since he doesn't do anything autocross, he doesn't do anything. He just wants to drive this car to like a cruise in and go get ice cream. So the part number I bought was the standard kit, and it's DB, like dog boy, 1741P as in Paul.
Or Penny. Sorry.
Okay. Ooh, what we got here?
We got a sealed air.
Yeah.
We'll throw this off because that's going to take up a lot of room, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
We have a rotor.
Nice.
With the races already installed, so that's cool.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. No seal in the back, but I can put the seal in because I got to put the...
rolling around.
I think it's a little bit of the foam.
Oh, okay. All right.
I think a little bit of the packing foam made it, the wheel studs chewed up the packing foam.
I think they can see this good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Here. Holy cow. Good grief. I have to get out my big muscle.
I was going to say, now you see why I set it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll set that back down. That's good. They can look it up.
Yeah, all right. You want to grab me a tape measure? We'll measure these rotors to tell them what size the rotor while I start on.
Does it matter which one?
No, just a tape measure.
Let's go with the one.
Because it's probably 11, a 12, a 13, probably an 11-inch rotor.
Okay.
Just measure across and tell them how big the rotor
Here we go.
outside.
11.
11-inch rotor, okay. So the kit came with 11-inch rotors. I remember I think you could get up to, if I'm remembering online correctly.
Hand me that on top. Thank you, sir.
You could get up to a 13-inch, and then I think they went to Wheelwoods after that. And I know you wanted me to buy the Wheelwoods, but...
I did. I am partial to the Wheelwoods.
They were a little bit more money, and...
We were trying to be economical for the customer. I understand.
Yes. Okay.
But I do like the Wheelwood.
Okay. These are going to be the caliper brackets.
This thing is like really dull. We need a new one. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. All right. So the part number on the caliper brackets is 6600607B. So there's your caliper brackets.
All right, this one, it's got two different numbers. It's got this one and this one.
We'll flip it over.
Oh. Okay, the number on this one is, well, it's still two different. Oh, no, it's not. 66. Let's see, it's different.
I'm going to say it's a left and a right.
Okay. 661-0176-B and 662-0176-B.
brake pads themselves. And I did order the standard pads. I didn't get the, you can get the high performance racy brake pads, all that good stuff. But I didn't get them. These are just standard.
Standard pads.
Standard pads, nothing exciting about them.
Okay.
Wait a minute, there's still a shim.
I'll get it out. There we go. There's a couple
There we
of
go.
shims.
Two of them. These shims go inside the caliper side when you put the caliper on.
Alrighty.
Oh, is this instructions?
I don't know. Let me look at it.
Yeah.
You keep going.
I'm going.
Oh, this is for the Billet X Master Cylinder.
Oh, that's a sales brochure.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the instructions. Yeah, okay.
Well, they printed out the directions for you, so that's positive. It's only 6 pages.
Ooh, seals. We have
Hardware.
bearings. I'm gonna.
Uh-oh. I'll
Whoops.
get it. Whoopsies.
Dust caps and caliper bolts and new brake hoses with the brake line clips and mounting hardware.
I'm going to put the directions over here, okay?
Okay.
So we don't leave those.
And
You need me to open that?
I'm gonna bet this is right caliper, left caliper.
Looks to be. Oh yeah, nice.
Okay. And they come with the little copper washers.
Look, it has a little R on it for right. Is that correct?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, you're just looking at me like, oh,
I was just messing with
oh,
you.
no. I thought, oh no.
Yeah, it is.
I thought I was going to have to say, could.
No, it was. I was just messing with you.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, let's see. Does it? L.
It does have an L. Where's my little copper washers? There.
Are they in there?
Yeah, they're in the bag. Can you get them out, please?
Sure.
All right.
Don't need these bags anymore.
So that's all for that box.
Okay.
Knife.
There
I need
you
a
go.
knife. And yes, all three
Oh, wait.
boxes were in one shipment under one part number. You get all three because I did order. You can get this kit without the master cylinder and without the brake booster in case you wanted to do manual brakes, but we decided to opt for the power brakes at the same time we were doing disc. So,
Okay.
alrighty.
What do we have?
And
More
more
power-
instructions.
More instructions. Okay.
More instructions. Alright.
Oh, are they different?
Yeah,
They are different.
they are different instructions.
Okay, I'll
This is
keep
going to be
these
for the...
separate.
Okay. And we have already pre-bent brake lines to go from the master cylinder to the proportional valve. They come in very handy, and it shows a little diagram
Very cool.
of how that goes in. And I'm betting this is the hose they intend for you to use to the brake booster. But I like the little syringe here.
Is that for bleeding it?
As for bleeding it, I'll show you this in action when we get the video putting that on. This is awesome. I know how everybody says used to bench bleed the master cylinder, putting it in a vise and squeezing it. This is much better. I don't know how I didn't think of that before, but that's much better. Okay, this is going to be proportional valve, the bracket, and your little brake line hardware and miscellaneous nuts and bolts. And then, ta-da!
Oh boy. The big-
We have master cylinder. Let's take this out of the.
Okay.
of the bag.
We've lost the knife somewhere.
The knife's over here, but it's pretty thin plastic. I think we got it.
Okay.
What's that say? Does that say cut to length?
Cut to length.
Must cut to length. Okay, so you gotta adjust your brake rod. That's gonna be fun to climb under the dash and do. I can envision that in my head now. All right, nothing else in the bag?
Doesn't seem to be.
No, okay. So, this,
It looks nice.
yeah, it does. And as you can see, they've upped
Let me hold
the
this.
center line for the brake booster and master cylinder is above the pedal center line. I don't know if you can see that on the video for the little boot in the way. There's a linkage arm that raises it. So, yeah, looks like a pretty good setup. See if there's anything else in the box. Don't roll away.
I got you.
That was expensive.
Yes.
Oh, and the clevis to go onto the brake pedal. This, once you cut the rod to length, you will put this on. It has a jam nut and the cross pin to go in the clevis.
That's it.
And yeah,
All done.
that's it. Okay, so
like
this,
Seems like a good kit.
yeah, seems like a good kit. All this and the rotors in the floor came, like I say, under that one part number, the DB1741P, and this is the basic kit. You can get the performance and go above this, but it wasn't needed for this, so we didn't go over and above, didn't spend money unnecessarily. So, yeah, I'll add a link where it has the instructions online, and I'll put the web address of where I bought this.
Yeah.
But I like it.
I do.
I think
like
it's pretty
it.
good.
So now all these parts get to go on.
Yeah, now we'll do a separate video of tearing all the old parts off
Yeah.
and putting the new parts on.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right, how we end all our videos. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.